Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're tackling a super quick tutorial, how to change the message icon on Android in 2025. If you're tired of the default look and want to personalize your device, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and will only take a couple of minutes, but it can make your phone feel uniquely yours. First things first, make sure your Android device is updated to the latest version for 2025. This ensures you have access to the newest customization features. Start by unlocking your phone and heading to the home screen. Long press on an empty space until the customization menu pops up. From there, tap on Settings or Wallpaper and Style, depending on your device manufacturer like Samsung, Google, or OnePlus. Once in the settings, look for the Themes or Icons section. Android 2025 has made this easier with built-in icon packs. Select Icon Packs and browse through the available options. If you don't see what you like, you can download more from the Google Play Store. Just search for Icon Packs and pick a highly rated one. After selecting or downloading your preferred pack, go back to the settings and apply it. Now, find the Messages app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Long press it, and you should see an option to edit or change icon. Choose from the new icons available in your pack, maybe something sleek and modern or fun and colorful. If you're using a custom launcher like Nova Launcher, which is still popular in 2025, the process is even more flexible. Install it from the Play Store, set it as your default launcher, and then customize icons directly through its settings. Remember, always back up your settings before making changes, just in case. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your message icon and given your Android a fresh look. If you run into any issues, check online forums or drop a comment below. We're here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.